In this chapter, we learnt about many strange and mysterious natural and man-made wonders. India, being a vast country, is full of many more wonders. One such natural wonder is found in Mizoram. These caves have been formed over centuries. Some people believe that the porous-looking holes in the rock at the roof are a result of natural water activity. It is still a mystery as to what caused such strange formations in the rocks. Another strange occurrence is the discovery of human skeletons at Rupkund in Uttarakhand. The lake, now famously called the Skeleton Lake, was discovered in 1942 by a reserve ranger H.K. Madwal. The skeletons are visible in the clear water of the shallow lake during the 1-month period when the ice melts. Along with the skeletons, wooden artifacts, iron spearheads, leather slippers and rings were also found. Scientists have conducted studies and found that these are more than 1,000 years old. Yet another such natural formation in India are the caves of Meghalaya. These caves are some of the longest caves in the world. One such cave is the Mausmai cave that has been formed through years of natural rock erosion and due to underground water. Another famous cave in Meghalaya is the Lumshaina cave. This cave is made of limestones. It is also a site where fossils of land and marine animals can be seen. Magnet Hill is a gravity hill located near Leh in Ladakh. The layout of the area and surrounding slopes creates an optical illusion that the downhill road is actually an uphill road. Objects and cars on the hill may appear to roll uphill against gravity when they are in fact rolling downhill. The surrounding hills actually block the horizon, which tricks our mind into thinking that the downward slope is in fact going up. Strange, isn't it? Do you know of any other natural wonders of India?